afternoon, y'all. Look at Karina. She's gonna be riding by herself today. We just left Lake Houston Marina. The water's a little low. The docks, look how the docks are sitting. But, yep, I'm on the Spark. Look at Karina. Karina gonna ride by herself today. Let's go. There she goes. She's going faster now. My hat's all muddy. I'm gonna go meet everybody right now. So the location has moved, obviously. The water level, like I said, was low. We're usually back there in a cove. And look at them, they're sitting on top, they're standing on top of sandbars right now. Is it really low right here? Yeah. Shit, I was like, oh, they moved. What's up, what's up? Just throw it all the way up there. That's good. Now you done beached me. Give it some throttle and then the left button. There you go, it's good. It's good, right there. I don't want to pull it all the way up. Get off.
Is that good?
Yeah. It should be good.
Wait, it's cold. I'm not getting on.
Who the hell? Look what he did to my damn ski.
The new one?
Yeah. It's only 400 pounds.
Yeah, that's like...
No, but it was like, there was more water on here earlier. Now it's, I need to take it off before I'm like completely beached on here.
It's been like this all morning.
What's up, what's up? How are you?
Good.
This fool was helping me put my ski on the beach, and then look, the sandbar.
One way to guarantee you get it
completely beached me on here because he doesn't want me to race him. He doesn't want me to race him. No, because my butt. Let's see these muscles. Let's see these muscles go to work. Just a little bit.
Let's see you do it like you do that Spark.
That's good, guys. That's good. Thank you.
A little bit to the left, right?
No, no, no. Go. Hey, friend. Shut up. How are you doing?
What's going on?
Look. No, you can keep that in your jet ski too. You can mount it somewhere. What's up, guys? I ran into so many sandbars already. This is ridiculous. I'm about to go boat hopping right now. Walk my ass to this pontoon right here. There goes that beautiful unicorn, my pink unicorn right there. I already rode the 300, but I'm afraid of hitting it into more sandbars. Hey, what are you doing on my boat? Well, damn. I just ran into a damn sandbar. Water is so low. Hey, I ran into a damn sandbar right there. Huh? I was like, what the hell?
Until the sunset.
She's gonna drop me.
No, she's not. She's strong.
I already know her. Go!
She's gonna run into that hole and it's gonna be over. Not bad. Not bad. So you got any words to say?
No, other than I whooped his ass. This cameraman guy's ass, I whooped his ass.
Do I look like the kind of that would get his whoop? Lots of riders today, lots of fun. Oh shit.
Hey, what are you, how do you get over there?
Sam's Husky kid took off. That's Miami Vice style right there. Let the kid drive it back. Oh man, the GoPro went off.
You ready?